It's a well-known race and a hard race. It's the hardest half marathon in the world. The second one is in Sweden because of the terrain. And we are happy this year. We are going to have a Ndaka-inĩ marathon.
It will also attract more participants and provide an even better and more fulfilling sporting experience in our country.
This event has been a breeding ground for athletes, not just one for competition, but a breeding ground. A lot of our world champions, Olympic champions were actually discovered in Ndaka-inĩ. If before you go for a big event, you need to test yourself in Ndaka-inĩ. This is where the rubber meets the tarmac.